In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom extension for Google Chrome. First, make sure you're using Google Chrome on your computer, since this process works through the Chrome Web Store. Open a new tab and head to Google. In the search bar, type Zoom extension and press Enter. This helps you quickly find the official listing without having to memorize a direct link. In the results, look for the Chrome Web Store entry for the Zoom extension. It may appear as Zoom Chrome extension, or a similar title from Zoom Video Communications. Choosing the official listing matters because it ensures you're installing the legitimate tool, kept up to date by the real developer. Click that Chrome Web Store result to open the extensions page. On the extension page, you'll see an overview, screenshots, ratings, and the permissions it needs. Take a moment to review the description so you understand what it does. Typically, it helps you schedule and start Zoom meetings right from your browser, and scan the permissions so there are no surprises. When you're comfortable, look to the top right of the page and click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up detailing what the extension can access. This step is designed to be transparent about permissions. Read through the list, and if everything looks good, click Add extension to proceed. You'll see Chrome download and install the extension in the background. In a few seconds, a small confirmation message should appear, letting you know it's been added. After installation, the extension icon may appear in the toolbar near the top right of Chrome. If you don't see it immediately, click the puzzle-shaped extensions button to open your list of installed extensions. From there, you can pin the Zoom extension so it's always visible. Pinning isn't required, but it makes accessing Zoom tools faster when you need them. The first time you use the extension, you may be prompted to sign in to your Zoom account. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate, and you'll be ready to schedule or start meetings directly from your browser. If you're using a work or school computer that's managed by an administrator, you might see a message that says the extension is blocked. In that case, you'll need to request approval from your IT team. That's it. You searched for the Zoom extension, opened the official Chrome Web Store page, clicked Add to Chrome, and completed the installation. You're now set up to use Zoom more efficiently right from Google Chrome.